Thanks for joining us right now. And first up for you at 6, Connecticut records its first death from that UK variant of the COVID virus.
7,700 people in total have died in our state since this pandemic started.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Christian Colon is joining us right now with what we know so far about this specific case. Christian?
Yeah, the Department of Public Health did not release many details on the person or how they got infected. Officials tell us the person died last week and was between the ages of 30 and 40. This case joins a list of more than 80 people in the state that have been infected with the UK variant. We spoke to some frontline workers who say people cannot let their guard down. Hamden, Southington, and Bridgeport are just 3 of the several cities across the state where residents have tested positive for the UK variant.
Don't lift your guard. I mean, it's worth remembering that the variant used to be known as the UK variant, has gone from about in the 40s to 81, in the last week. So we watch that carefully.
More than 80 cases confirmed of the UK variant, and now the Department of Public Health reported its first death related to it.
Keep strong with the precautions because it's just nowhere near over.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Heidi Zapata with the Yale School of Medicine says people can be infected anywhere.
From the cases I've seen, people eating in restaurants where they take off their mask, that could be a possibility. I'm definitely seeing people living with other family members, getting them from their family members.
Zapata says the situation is getting better, but people should wear a mask and continue social distancing. On top of that, she says getting vaccinated will offer some protection, but how much is still unknown.
The companies, as we speak, are trying to sift through data and see if we need boosters for the vaccines. We'll figure that will come out later. But for now, if you have the opportunity, get the vaccine.
And as some restrictions are soon to be lifted across the state, Zapata reminds us about what many of us don't get to see, but she does.
It's been busy. I mean, the hospital's still pretty full. And so I would say that people should still maintain precautions.
The Yale School of Medicine, along with the Jackson Lab, are working with the Department of Health to identify these concerning variants. Zapata says identifying how many cases of the variants are in our state will help determine the efficacy of the vaccines. Christian Colon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.